Hi there, it's Gary from Cracked Blade Miniatures here with a cheeky little unboxing for my latest WePrint miniatures delivery, and I'm hoping, oh, that's adorable, look at that. I saw these chaps, I got to have them. I've also got an offer on at the moment where you get some free miniatures if you buy from certain ranges, so I'm looking forward to seeing what that is. So what's this one? Ooh, come on. Hey! Some sort of cyber dog. Nice. Always useful. So that's obviously one of my free sci-fi ones. And what is that? Oh, I've got to look at that. What is that? Hey! Some sort of fantasy squirrel. I love it. He's got an acorn. Ah, adorable. Right. So this is the first one from my I've ordered. Tell me. Come on. Guyver. Whoosh. Look at that pose. Look at that pose. That is just iconic. Looking forward to doing something with him. Now, if I remember rightly, I should have another one. Yep, that's another one. Don't ask me why I ordered two. I can't tell you, but look at that. That's just, again, a cracking pose. I love Guyver. And there should be one more. What can I say? I love the dwarves. There he is. Look at this guy. That's such a great pose. Oh, I'm gonna do something with this guy. Absolutely gonna do something with this guy. So there you go. Oh, there's some bases as usual. La, 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 la. Well, that was my little cheeky unboxing from WePrint Miniatures. Don't forget, if you get any of those or any others, use the code CorrectBlades for a 10% discount. Smashing, guys. Good to see you, and take care. Be good. Yee.